Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So today, I'm gonna show you how to install the thrust washer, or thrust bearing as some people call it. Shouldn't take that long, and I'm gonna explain to you how to do it as I'm doing it. Okay, so on your thrust bearing, you should have two of them. You should have these two oiling grooves right here. These two oiling grooves are going to face the crank. So if I take, for example, the third cap here for the Genesis coupe block, it should sit this way with these facing out. So when you actually install these in the block, there you go, it is facing out, okay? Okay, so the thrust bearings are actually going to fit into this channel right here on this block, right here, and that channel right there. And you're gonna install them in the block, not on the cap. Okay, so make sure, or at least what I did was I took some lube, put it on my finger, and just ran it across this side of the bearing because that's the side that's gonna be facing the crank. And then, again, like I said, this side is going to face a crank. You're going to get one that goes on this side right here, and another one that goes on that side right there, okay? And then all you're going to do is you're going to put it like so, lubed up already. It takes 2 fingers, and you are going to work that in here until it slides into the groove, which this one doesn't want to do. There we go. See, there you go, right there. See how that's just sliding in right there? And then you see, now it's gone. Okay, there's your washer right there. And don't worry if it's poking out like that a little bit on either side, because what will happen is once you put the cap on, it will push it down. And these are not designed to rotate at all. So the cap actually has a little bit of an overhang, and we'll keep them in place once they're installed. And there you go. That's basically what the washer looks like without the crank. I think gravity's working with me right now because that if I put it on the other side, it just falls. So, but if you're wondering, again, these grooves are going to face the crank. Also remember that there are tolerances for bearings that are engine specific, so you're going to want to make sure you look those up for your specific motor. Again, this is for Genesis coupe. But if you do not replace these, it can cost thousands of dollars in damage, and this is a $5 to $10 part. So make sure you check those. So anyway, until next time, let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I'll try to keep them short. And next video, we're going to actually install the pistons and things like that. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.